I am Wunmi. I studied events management at the University of East London. So for me, coming to uni, I remember asking one of the lecturers on open day, is there people that are a bit more mature? And I liked UEL because it's quite diverse in that sense. There's people that are 60, people that are 40, there's like a vast range of ages. The full-time course is really accommodating for someone who works as well. It felt right for me to come. So we had to basically run a live event. We put on an event called Sugarcane Sounds, playing on the art of sound and drink, so letting people experience music, taste, sound, and take them on like a sensory experience. And it was just a really beautiful social event, and it made us feel as though we can do this. We brought ourselves together from different walks of life, different cultures, different races, and we put on an event that people really appreciated. And that's the only best way you can learn, because there's classrooms, but I'm a practical babe. It gave me a bit more confidence to just go out there, run my own events, and people really enjoy what we do.